Are fake listings stealing your sales? Here's how to report them and remove them. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So there's two parts to this video. Part number one, I'm going to be showing you reporting fakes. Part number two, I'm going to be showing you reporting misleading listings, okay? I'm going to be showing you fakes first. So if we're going to show you right now, this is a client and then they are selling a clip. It goes on your hand. You can literally see it in the photo and they have a patent. Literally, you can see the patent right here. It's the same item that's in the photo. Now we've got a competitor, somebody that's sending a counterfeit. Here's the counterfeit item right here. They're selling it for only $4. They've got such bad reviews, it's ruining the brand. We can get them removed from Amazon. This is called reporting fakes. All you need to do is have some type of intellectual property, or you can purchase the item and then showcase that it is actually fake compared to a real product. But what you're going to do is you're going to log into brandregistry.amazon.com. Here it is. And then you're going to click protect report a violation. Okay, now you're going to take that competitor, that one that's a counterfeit, that's violating your patent or your trademark or your copyright, whatever it is, your packaging. You're going to put that in here and then you're going to click search. And then there it is. You're going to want to remove the entire listing. So you're going to click this little box right here. And now you can report them for copyright infringement, patent infringement, trademark infringement, right? And right now they are violating our client's patent and it's their design patent. So we're going to click design patent. You're going to click your brand name and you're going to say, do you have a patent number? You're going to click yes. And then you're going to put that patent number in here. And that patent number is right here. We're going to put that in Amazon. There we go. I'm going to remove the comma and then just make it look nice. Oops. There we go. Just triple checked. Now we're going to come back here and you're just going to provide information on how they are infringing on your patent. And then we can provide that right here. Let me type in something. So you're gonna write in something. Remember, whoever you're writing to, you don't wanna write tons of information because Amazon is lazy. This is gonna go to an Amazon worker. If you put too much information in, they might just ignore it. So just see what works. I like to keep it short and concise. So pretty much what we're doing is you're gonna write out what you're going to say. Then you can use ChatGPT or Grok to make it more concise and better. The product listed under is infringing our design patent and negatively impacting the customer experience on Amazon. This product not only violates our design patent by copying all of the images directly from it and representing it as their own, but also has customer reviews averaging below 3.5 stars. So I'm kind of just hitting Amazon that, look, not only are they copying our patent, but it's also ruining your platform and the customer experience. Amazon's all about the customer experience. So if you input something about the customer experience and how it's getting ruined, it's also going to motivate Amazon to get them removed, right? You're gonna put your contact name, your email, and then you're gonna submit it. Once it's submitted, you're gonna go to monitor and then submission history, see if it's accepted or denied, just review it all and just make sure you're on top of it. If it is denied, okay, if it is denied, to get it approved, you're going to go to support, contact brand support. And then you're going to click escalate previously submitted issue. And this is where you can actually add photos and make it idiot proof. So you can add more information, say, I need to escalate this. You guys denied it because Amazon's lazy. And then you're going to explain how they are violating it. And to do that, you actually need to do a test buy. So purchase the product, wait for it to be delivered, and then tell Amazon you actually ordered the product. See, order case ID, put the order, say I actually ordered the product. Here's the order ID. Put a screenshot. You can add attachments right here that show that you ordered the product and then report them, right? Make it as idiot proof as possible. Put screenshots that literally show your product versus their product, how it's exactly the same and things like that. And you'll get it reinstated or you'll get them removed in no time. Now, part number two is reporting misleading listings, okay? So these are listings that are either violating the law or they're violating Amazon's policies, both of which can be reported and removed, right? So this item, this one was probably violating the law, but it's also violating Amazon's policies. So I'm gonna reference Amazon's policies right here. And they've got 1,000 bought in the past month. They're making bank. It's a purple toothpaste. Amazing. Psych, it doesn't work. It's all fake. You're gonna go to the reviews and you can literally see that this is not purple toothpaste. It's a lint roller. Picks up lint, hair, and debris easily. So they've got fake reviews. They've got tons. They hijacked someone's listing, took all of their pictures, changed it to purple toothpaste, and now all the reviews are like, this is great. All the product reviews are just of this lint roller, and it is not purple toothpaste. So they're violating Amazon's policies of reviews. And what you can do is you log back into brandregistry.amazon.com, but this time you're going to go to support, contact brand support, and then you're going to click report a marketplace policy violation. Now you can literally see product review violation right here, and then you just describe how that this listing, it's a purple teeth whitener, but all of the reviews say it's a lint roller. So somebody manipulated it, and they are pretty much they're manipulating the product listing to showcase a different product than what it actually was. And that is against Amazon's policies. You can't just take a listing. So you're going to put that in here. You're going to review Amazon's product review policies right here. They give you the link, and you can actually just review what they're pretty much showing, like what is it violating. And then once you do that, you put that in here, put the ASIN, put the URL, and then if you want to do an order, you can do a test buy, purchase the item, wait for it to be delivered, and then once it's delivered, put that order ID in. If you do that, it's going to increase your chances of getting them removed by 90%. Increases your chances by 90%. So if you're not getting approved, it's because you didn't do a test buy. Do test buy, put that in, use ChatGPT or Grok to make it more concise when you describe the review policy violation, and you'll be good to go. You can also do other policy violations, incorrect variation, product not described, and for anything that's breaking the law, you can do a regulatory compliance and safety policy violation right here. These ones are more difficult to do, but I do have a video on that, and then that's going to help you succeed. So don't forget to follow up. That's going to be my pro tip. Make sure that you're going to the brand support case log and you're following up. If you're doing a violation, make sure you're going to the submission history and seeing why they're rejecting your violation and everything like that. But that's it for today's video. If you reported a misleading listing before, what was the outcome? Drop a comment below and share your story. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. We also offer a highly sought after infringement service where our infringement team is going to manually review all of your listings. We're also going to review all of the competitors and make sure they're not violating any of your intellectual property, violating any laws or any Amazon policies. If they are, we will report them. We'll get them all removed so all of those customers come back to your listing and you generate much more sales. Our team actively monitors Amazon in every single country, Amazon Canada, Italy, all those good ones, eBay, Walmart, Alibaba, AliExpress, Temu, Wish, Etsy, and Google. We can get them all removed from those platforms, and we have. For complete brand protection, check out Infringement Service. The link is right in the description, again, to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.